How's it going, everybody? Andy from Your Image Customs here, working on a 2021 IS300. We're going to show you how to take the front and rear door panels off. Phillips just sitting behind your handle lock there, so just pop your little tool in and pull that back. You'll have a Phillips in there. This plate here where your window switch goes up, same thing. Pop your little tool in right underneath on the bottom, gently pry, and the thing will pop up really easy. And then unplug your switch. You'll have two more screws behind this black plate. Again, this little tool will slip in at the top, find that weak point where it has no gaps, or a big gap, sorry, and pop that out. You got two more in there, and then you'll have one more on this little corner here. Once you have all your screws out, you're gonna wanna start on the inside panel here and just pry out. And there's all clips that run along the bottom of this door and all the way up. So you just gently pry them out. And then once you get to the top, the door itself will slide straight up. I usually use my knee at the bottom to pry up a little bit, and then it just kind of pops out into place. And there you go. So you're gonna start with your Phillips screwdriver and a little pry tool. You're gonna have a Phillips here. You're gonna have two behind this plate here. This switch panel will pop out, and then you'll have another one here. So we'll start with the top, pry out a little bit. That little thing pops out. Get your Phillips there. Again, under in this, there's two seams here. Try and get your tool up in there and just pry up a little bit. It doesn't take much on these. And then again, this little panel pops out. Once you got that done, same thing, you're gonna grab on the inside panel here where there's a bit of a gap, put your hand under, pop it away, and then put all the snap clips that go with it. Hands up, tight, there we go, and then pull straight up on the panel and it'll release from the gasket. And there you go.